Welcome everybody, my name is Francesco Rinaldi and I'm here today to describe you the new Mathematics of Data Science curriculum for the Master of Science in Data Science at the University of Padova. So let us start this brief presentation. First of all, believe me or not, mathematics is really ubiquitous in data science. And behind a large number of data science models and methods, there is plenty of mathematical tools that make things work. So data scientists, they really need to properly understand and develop both models and methods for dealing with those data. So what about mathematics of data science? Well, this curriculum qualifies students to build and analyze structured models for the representation of concrete applications, to properly choose and develop methods for the handling of those models, to get a deep understanding of theory techniques and mathematical theory for data analysis, to properly combine and redevelop all those tools in order to solve complex real-world problems. So the courses we have in this curriculum, they all put an emphasis on notions coming from different fields like statistics, optimization, machine learning, theory of big data representation, and all of these notions are nicely merged together in these courses. So, of course, we warmly welcome students with a good background in mathematics, statistics, computer science, but what you need to keep in mind is that prospective students should just have the willingness to study mathematical theory and to apply their knowledge in the practical management of big data. So what we really expect from students is that they have an interest in using mathematical tools and tailored algorithms for the analysis of data. So what you should expect from us instead? The curriculum is conceived as a multidisciplinary platform that enables you guys to handle models and methods coming from statistics, machine learning, optimization, and to properly understand the way all those tools are intertwined in big data applications. There's going to be plenty of projects and homework that allow you to develop project management and analytical skills in the fields that you like the most. And finally, the partnerships that we have with industries and research institutions will enable you to implement mathematical techniques in the solution of exciting data science applications. So who you will become after this trip? After this 2-year program, you will be able to represent, compress, and storage each dataset, to develop suitable models to recognize and analyze data, to properly understand the methods for the handling of big data models, to properly tackle advanced problems and applications based on current research. What about employment prospects? Well, there is a good bunch of companies and research institutions that usually deal with big data, and they need to handle and properly analyze a huge scale of data. And this happens in finance, transportation, communication, biology, just to list a few of them. And what they usually expect is that you have a strong mathematical background that enable you on the one side to approach real-world problems using computational analysis, and on the other side to properly understand the mathematics underpinning these big data. Our graduates, thanks to the deep knowledge of mathematical theory and the ability to deal with the computational challenges behind data-driven systems, they really represent an effective and attractive professional profile that surely get an excellent placement in the job market. So let us take now a look at the list of the mandatory exams that we have in our curriculum. And these exams somehow represent the foundations of the curriculum of mathematics of data science. As you can see, we have a good bunch of exams in mathematics, statistics, and computer science, and they will give you a good bunch of practical and theoretical tools for proper handling and to properly analyze the data. Finally, you will also have an exam in biology, economics, and human and social science, and you'll get the chance to use those tools in practice. You further have 2 recommended courses that you can pick in this list, and 2 elective courses to complete the study plan. Okay, so let us take a look now at the structure of the curriculum in the 2 years. So in the first year, first semester, you will have the first part of statistical learning and machine and deep learning, fundamental of information systems, and you can choose, depending on your background, between stochastic methods and the advanced course in high dimensional probability for data science. In the second semester, you will have statistical learning, the second part, and the second part of machine learning, deep learning, the optimization for data science exam, and mathematical models and numerical methods for big data. Finally, you will get the chance to choose your first elective course. In the first semester of the second year, apart from the two mandatory exams that you are left with, you will be able to choose between one of these courses and one of these courses, and finally you will pick one more elective course to complete the exams. The second semester will completely devoted to the internship and to write down your thesis. After you are done with that, you'll get your final degree. So if you have any question, you are free to ask